Dear children, welcome to our previous class. We have studied about adaptation. We have studied about the adaptation of land animals and water animals. Then we have studied the adaptation of tortoise. Tortoise can live on land and in water, but they cannot breathe in water. But there are some other animals. They can live on land and in water and also breathe in water and on land. You all of you are familiar with such an animal. This animal is always jumping. It catches its prey with its sticky tongue. Can you name? Yes, it is frog. Today we are going to study about the adaptation of frog. Do you see frogs? Do frogs live in water or land? Yes, you have seen frogs in water and on land. Frogs can live both on land and in water. Frogs are amphibians. Do you know what are amphibians? Animals that live the first part of their lives in water and the last part on land are called amphibians. Can you name some amphibians? Frog, toads, newts, etc. are amphibians. We know frog is an amphibian. For studying the adaptation of amphibians, we can take the adaptation of frog as an example. Where do the frogs lay their eggs? Frogs lay eggs in water. Eggs hatch out with the help of sunlight. When they hatch out from their eggs, what is its shape? It looks like a fish. Have you ever seen the young one of frogs? What is its name? They are called tadpoles. Tadpoles look like a fish. They have gills to breathe and fins to swim in water. Tadpoles turn into adult frog. Do you know how many days need to change into adult frog? 12 to 16 weeks. Tadpole turn into adult frogs. During this period, their body changes, growing legs, and lungs help them to live on land. Frogs breathe through their lungs when they are on land. Frogs breathe through their moist skin when they are in water. On land, it breathes through lungs, and in water, it breathes through their moist skin. Look at the feet of frog. How is it? Its feet is covered with skin. We have studied about the feet of duck in last year. Do you remember it? The feet covered with skin is called, what is its name? It is called webbed feet. What is the use of webbed feet? It helps them to swim in water. They have long back legs and feet which help them to jump long distance and catch its prey. They have long sticky tongue to catch its prey. In this class, we have discussed about the peculiarities of frog to live in water and on land. Do you understand? Let us say What are the adaptation of frog? Frog breathe through their lungs when they are on land and breathe through their moist skin when they are in water. Their webbed feet help them to swim in water. Their long and strong back legs help them to jump long distance. Their long and sticky tongue help them to catch its prey. Did you understand the adaptation of frog? Today's homework. Write down the adaptation of frog. Thank you.